have a question. There was a situation at my brother's apartment where officers were called.
Okay.
And I just say him and my nephew was into it when the officers came to his apartment. And when the officers came to his apartment, they just rushed my brother, and they beat him up pretty bad. And I was trying to see was there anything to be done about it.
Okay. How do you address something like that?
Well, that would fall under what's called a 1983 claim. That's a federal cause of action. It has to do with excessive force, but it's not just excessive force. There are some certain standards that have to be made. Those are really tough cases. We saw as we were getting ready. We were watching the news earlier about the police beating brutality case that's going on right now, and those aren't the easiest cases in the world. Of course, what's going to happen, what's going to depend on is maybe who the witnesses are, how badly he was beaten, whether or not he received medical treatment. All those things come into play, but they're very difficult cases because you do have law enforcement on one side, and then you have someone else on the other side that is they're going to say has done something to deserve it. So,
but in
very
that
tough
case,
cases.
you probably needs to get some representation.
Absolutely, that's a case that you absolutely need representation on. At least have somebody look at it and determine whether or not this is something that would be actionable.
We've handled a few of those over the years.
Yeah, and been successful, but not every case is right. So
Right.
you just have to really look at it real closely.
All